If you have ever done a name change on your Jamaican birth certificate, this video is for you. So, as I stand here in Madrid in this plaza, I got two questions recently that were similar. One was, no, it wasn't a question. The person asked me if I could help them change their name on their Jamaican birth certificate because they had changed their name and they became a US citizen. You do not need to change your birth certificate if you did a name change when you became a citizen. As long as you had an official name change recognized by a government authority, the name change is binding. So you did a name change when you became a US citizen. Ideally, you should have the name change document, not just the citizenship certificate. A lot of us have the certificate, but some of us have never heard of the name change document. You should try to get that because that will serve as your name change, and you would attach that to your birth certificate and you'd carry that at all times. I should also point out that the name on your birth certificate cannot be changed on the birth certificate. So it's like persons think they're going to cross out the name and write another name, or they're going to go into the record and delete that name, put on the new name, and then print the birth certificate again. That will never happen. Now, people keep applying for a birth certificate and they keep writing the name they want on the application. You could write that 100 times and the application, the name on the birth certificate will always come back the same way it was when you were born. It will not change. And while I'm at this, I need to quickly point out, if you are a Jamaican living overseas, if you're a Jamaican living anywhere with a Jamaican passport that has the wrong spelling of your name, or when you got your passport back, it came back with the wrong name, tell them right away. We have a very nasty habit, and this annoys me so much, of using documents that have the wrong name. It's like we're afraid to go back to any body of authority. Swear to God, I'm having New York flashbacks. For a second, I was having New York trauma. All right, so if you have a document with the wrong name, tell the people so the document have on the wrong name and don't use it. If you change your name in a foreign country, it is legally binding in any other country, as long as it was authorized by the government authority in that country. Now, a lot of people have been mentioning that they changed their name with Social Security in the US, and they want to get documents in this new name. I'm going to make another video about that because I've been in this document business for a long time and I did not know you could just go to Social Security. I'm stuttering. I did not know you could just go to Social Security and just change your name and have that be legally binding. I have never heard of that. I'm only hearing about it now. So, all right, I'm Gail. I almost said I'm Gail, Miss Green to my students. I'm Gail here in Madrid, and I'm going to see how I can get a tuk-tuk ride to go do a tour of the city until 5 o'clock. I meet my other tour group so we can have our first Spanish dinner. All right, thanks for watching.